Student's Book, page 4. 1. Listen and check the technology words you hear.
Hi, Maria. How are you?
Hi, Dan. I'm fine, thanks. Where's Alex?
I don't know. He isn't here.
That's strange. It's 10:15. He's late. Where is he? It's 10:25. The game starts in 5 minutes.
Wait a minute. I have a text message on my cell. It's from Alex. Come to my house quickly. V important.
Very important. Come on then. Let's go.
Internet Magazine Competition. Prize, new computers for your school. Write for the International School e-zine.
Look at this. There's a new e-zine competition on the internet. There's a prize for the best school e-zine in the country.
Yeah. And the winners can write for the International School e-zine next year.
Let's write something for it and try to get some new computers for our school. Why don't we do our first e-zine article on technology?
Great idea, Maria. That sounds exciting.